Welcome to Crafty Homestead Corner. Today we're going to go over how to create a magic ring for starting a plushie. This is for starting a plushie in a spiral instead of a join and then a chain stitch method. So it's going to be like that instead of a kind of thing. So we're going to take the short end toward you, long end away. We're going to have at least several inches past our index and middle finger. Take the long end, wrap it around the index, and oops, there is a knot in my yarn, and take that off. So take, again, short end toward you, long end away, wrap around. You have an X. Stick that hook through the middle, yarn over and pull that long end through. You now have a loop on your hook. Yarn over the long end again and pull through that loop. You now have a slip knot with a loop and a tail end. And that tail end can just hang through the loop like that. And we're going to do that one more time. Short end toward you, long end away. Wrap it around the index and middle finger, hook through the middle, yarn over, pull through. You now have a loop on your hook, yarn over long end again and pull through that loop. And there we go. And tighten it like that. And this short end can tighten the loop like that, or you can pull it back up. That's about a good size. So then we're going to, since spiral, we're not going to start with a chain stitch. We're just going to stick that hook through, yarn over, pull that loop through, yarn over, pull through the two loops. Hook through the loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the two loops. We now have two stitches. You can see the little V's right there. So 1, 2 for one stitch, another is for another stitch. Hook through the middle loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. We now have 3, and do 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So that's all I need for this first row. I'm going to tighten, being gentle. Going to find that first stitch. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go through first stitch, yarn over, and pull through. So again, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You always want to make sure that you start out with the right size, and this is going to be worked in the spiral, so that means I just start with the next round doing what I need to do. So that will be 2 single crochets in each stitch as an increase, but to mark where the round starts or finishes, I just do that and take that short piece of contrasting yarn, and that will be my stitch marker, and I'll just weave it through the stitches as I go along so I know where I am and I don't have to keep taking out a stitch marker and adding it back in. It just stays in, and at the end of the project you just pull it out. So beginning on round 2, I'm going to just go through there, yarn over like that, and yarn over again, and that's my first increase. And then just follow along with the instructions and keep using that string and you'll get to where you need to be.